Good morning to all. Today I will discuss about chapter 5 admission of a partner. Today I will discuss about the revaluation account and capital account and balance sheet. Sum number 25. Sundar and Suresh are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as on 1st January 2017 was as follows. Liabilities rupees, liability side and capital account Sundar and Suresh is a old partner. Sundar value 30,000 and Suresh value 20,000. Total 50,000 rupees. Creditors 50,000 and general reserve 10,000. Workman compensation fund 15,000. Asset side furniture buildings 40,000. Furniture 13,000. Stock 25,000. Debitors 15,000. Bills receivable 14,000. Bank 18,000. Total value 1,25,000 rupees. They decided to admit Sukumar into partnership for 1/4 share in profit on the following terms. So new partner Sukumar. A. Sukumar has to bring in 30,000 as capital. His share of goodwill is valued rupees 5,000. He could not bring cash towards goodwill. Then B. That the stock to be valued at 20,000. That the furniture be depreciated by 2,000. That the value of building be depreciated by 20%. Prepare revaluation account, capital account and the balance sheet of the firm after admission. First one, calculation of revaluation account. Same revaluation format, asset decrease, asset increase, asset decrease, asset increase, liability increase, liability decrease. Increase another name appreciated, increase another name appreciated or created or recorded. Decrease another name depreciated, write off, depreciated, write off. First adjustment B, that the stock be valued means such balance it and adjustment for compare, valued at 20,000 rupees. Same stock value 25,000, stock value 20, balance sheet value 25,000 stock and adjustment value 20,000. 25 minus 20, 5,000 rupees decrease. Balance sheet value 25, adjustment value 20,000, 5,000 rupees decrease. To asset decreasing means debit side. To stock 25,000 balance sheet amount, balance sheet value and adjustment value 20,000, 5,000 rupees decrease. Second one, that the furniture to be depreciated means decrease. Asset decrease means for debit side to furniture value 2,000 rupees. Next one, that the value building to depreciated by 20%. That the value of building means asset depreciated means asset decrease means same debit side. Buildings value 40,000 rupees, buildings value 40,000 into 20 by 100, 20% given. 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. 4,000 into 2, 8,000 rupees. Credit side not amount, only debit side total 15,000. Same credit side 15,000. Balancing figure by revaluation loss or loss on revaluation transfer to capital account for old partners. Old partners Sundar and Shanmugam. 15,000 into ratio 3:2 ratio is given 3/5 and 15,000 into 2/5. Cancel 9,000 rupees, 6,000 rupees. Total 15,000 rupees. Second account, capital account. So capital account particulars, Sundar and Suresh is a old partner. Sukumar is a new partner. It's a debit side. Credit side particulars, Sundar, Suresh is a old partner. Sukumar new partner. So format for only credit side. First one, old partners capital account. Old partners capital account only balance value is balance sheet. Second one, new partners capital. Second one, new partners capital. Third one, general reserve or workman compensation fund is given means distribution for only old partners capital account. Fourth one, revaluation profit. Fifth one, goodwill. Sixth one, profit or loss, liability side is given means are recorded in capital account and credit side. Balance sheet, asset side is given means capital account, only credit side are recorded. First one old partners capital account, second one new partners capital account, third one general reserve or workman compensation fund, fourth one revaluation profit, fifth one goodwill, sixth one profit or loss account. Same. First one old partners capital account. So old partners means so capital account and Sundar and Suresh 30,000 and 20,000 is given. Came by balance brought down. Sundar 30,000, Suresh 20,000 rupees. Sukumar not given. Second one new partners capital. So new Sukumar is a new partner. Partner value to Sukumar has to bring in 30,000 as capital. By cash 30,000 rupees. Next. So general reserve, third step general reserve. So general reserve value is given. General reserve value, so 10,000 rupees general reserve. Distribution for only old partners. 10,000 into 3:2 ratio. 10,000 into 3/5 first partner. 10,000 into 2/5 second partner. 6,000 rupees and 4,000 new partner no values. Next one workman compensation fund also given. Workman compensation fund value 15,000. Workman compensation fund value 15,000. So same distribution for two old partners, 15,000 into 3/5 and 15,000 into 2/5, 9,000 and 6,000. New partner no value. Next one goodwill value also given, only adjustment value. Say his share of goodwill is valued at 5,000 rupees. He could not bring cash towards goodwill means, so journal entry. New partners capital account debtor to old partners capital account credit. Same, he could not bring cash towards goodwill means new partners capital account debtor, old partners capital account credit. Same, new partners capital account debtor. So value new partners enter for new partners value 5,000 rupees into 3/2, 3/5 and 5,000 rupees into 2/5. Recorded in debit side only new partner. So particular side so old partners name. Okay. So new partners capital account debtor to old partners capital account credit. So new partners capital account debtor means so opposite name old partners name to Sundar capital and Suresh capital. Sundar value 5,000 rupees, goodwill value 5,000 into 3/2, 5,000 into 2/5 only enter for new partners. Same credit side. New partner name Sukumar dividing for old partners 5,000 into 3/2 and 5,000 into 2/5 dividing for two partners. Same Sundar value 48,000, Suresh value 32,000 and Sukumar value 30,000. Same debit side. Revaluation losses given. Revaluation losses are recorded. Total 48,000 minus 9,000. Balancing figure 39,000. 32 minus 6,000. 26,000 rupees debit side. 30,000 minus 5,000. Balance 25,000 to balance carry down. Next step balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 1st January 2017. So liabilities rupees, asset rupees. Liability side only capital account for old partners and new partners is calculation for capital account 39,000, 26,000, 25,000, 39,000, 26,000, 25,000, total 90,000 rupees. Same balance sheet side, credit side values given. So general reserve workman compensation for distribution for old partners not recorded in balance sheet side. Only creditors value 50,000 rupees. Same liability side over. Next asset side, buildings value 40,000. Same adjustment also given. Adjustment value depreciate 20%. Depreciate means less depreciate. 40,000 into 20/100 means 8,000 rupees. Same balance value 32,000. Furniture value 13,000 and less depreciate value. Depreciate 2,000 value is given. 13,000 minus 2,000 11,000 rupees. Stock 25,000 value balance sheet value less depreciate value 5,000 rupees. 25 balance sheet value adjustment value 20,000 is a comparing for 5,000 rupees extra amount. 5,000 rupees reduce less 20,000 rupees. Debitors 15,000. Bills receivable 14,000 or give balance sheet value is given. And bank 18,000. Add for new partners capital. New partner Sukumar capital Capital investment value 30,000, total 48,000 rupees. Total debit side 1,40,000. Same credit side also 1,40,000 rupees. Sum number 26. The following is the balance sheet of James and Justina as on 1/1/2017. They share the profit and losses equally. Liability side rupees, asset side rupees. Liability side old partners capital account James and Justina 40,000 and 50,000, total 90,000 rupees. Creditors 35,000 rupees. Reserve fund 15,000. Asset side building 70,000, stock 30,000, debitors 20,000, bank 15,000 and prepaid insurance 5,000 rupees. Total 1,40,000, same 1,40,000. On the above the date, Bolan is admitted as a partner with 1/5 share in future profit. Following are the terms for this admission. Bolan brings rupees 25,000 as capital. His share of goodwill is 10,000 rupees and brings cash for it. This asset are to be valued means balance sheet value and adjustment value for compare. As under buildings 80,000, debitors 18,000 and stock 33,000. Only first step calculation of balance sheet. Calculation of revaluation account, profit and loss account, balance sheet. First step revaluation account. Revaluation account format: asset decrease, asset increase, liability decrease, liability increase. First adjustment: the asset are to be valued as under building 80,000 rupees. Same balance sheet value 70,000. 70,000 and 80,000 increasing for 10,000 rupees. Same asset increasing for credit side 80,000 minus 70,000, balance 10,000 rupees. Next, debitors 18,000. Debitors value, balance sheet value 20,000. Adjustment value 18,000 for 2,000 rupees decrease. Asset decrease means debit side to debitors 2,000. And stock 33,000. And stock value 30,000 for 30,000. Adjustment balance sheet value 33. Adjustment value 3,000 rupees increase. Asset increasing means debit side, credit side by stock 3,000. 33 minus 30, 3,000 rupees increase. Same credit side total 13,000. Same debit side also 13,000. 13,000 minus 2,000, 11,000 rupees to revaluation profit. Transfer to capital account for old partner James and Justina. James and Justina is a equal ratio. So there are share the profit and losses equally. Same 11,000 into 1/2. Also first partner, second partner 11,000 into 1/2. 5,500 and 5,500. Total 11,000 rupees. Second step, capital account. So capital account format: only credit side. First one old partners capital account. Second one new partners capital account. Third one general reserve or workman compensation fund. Fourth one revaluation profit means credit side. Revaluation loss means debit side. Goodwill and profit and loss account. So liability side is given means are recorded in capital account, recorded in credit side. Profit or loss asset side is given means so recorded in capital account, credit side. First step, old partners capital account. So old partners value, so 40,000 and 50,000 is a capital value for old partners. So by balance brought down 40,000 and 50,000. Second step, new partners capital by cash 25,000 new partners capital. Third one, general reserve or reserve fund value is given. 15,000 means equal ratio. 15,000 into 1/2, 15,000 into 1/2. New partners ku no value. And reserve revaluation profit is calculation of revaluation account. Revaluation account balancing figure for revaluation profit. First partner 5,500 and second partner 5,500. And goodwill value is given. Same goodwill. His share of goodwill is 10,000 rupees and brings cash for it. Only dividing for two partners, equal partner by goodwill. First partner also 5,000, second partner is also 5,000 rupees. Same debit side, first partner total 58,000, Justina 68, Bolan 25,000. Same debit side 58,000, 68, 25,000. No value to balance carried down. First partner 58,000, second partner 68, third partner 25,000. 1 year closing stock, next year opening stock. By balance brought down 58,000, 68,000, 25,000. Next one, cash or bank account. Cash or bank account, only opening item recorded in debit side. To balance brought down 15,000 rupees. Same bank value or cash value recorded in bank account or cash account. Bank 15,000. New partners capital also recorded in debit side. To new partner balance capital account 25,000 and goodwill value also recorded for James and Justina, total 5,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. Same cash or bank account recorded in all item recorded in debit side. First one, so opening item. Second one, new partners capital. Third one, old partners goodwill value. Same balance 15,000 new partners value or bank value, opening bank value, and new partners capital 25,000 and James and Justina goodwill value 5,000 rupees, 5,000. Total debit side 50,000. Same credit side also 50,000. By balance carry down value 50,000 rupees. Last one, balance sheet as on 1st January 2017. Same method, capital account for 3 partners in calculation of capital account. James capital 58, Justina capital 68, third partner balance 25,000 rupees. Same 1,51,000 rupees. Same creditors value 35. Buildings value 70,000. Add appreciation. Same 10,000 rupees increasing value. Appreciate value 80,000. Stock 30,000. So add 3,000 rupees increasing value or appreciation or increasing value 3,000. Total 33,000. Debitors 20,000. Less undervalued or decreasing value 2,000. Balance 18,000 rupees. Bank balancing value 50,000 rupees. Bank balancing value is recorded. And prepaid insurance 5,000 rupees. Same asset side and liability side also 1,86,000 rupees asset side and liability side 1,86,000 rupees. Next, assignment 17. Assignment 17. Sum number 1. The balance sheet of Rekha and Mary on 31st March 2018 is as follow. Liabilities rupees, asset rupees. Capital account Rekha and Mary 50,000 and 30,000, total 80,000. General reserve 40,000. Workman compensation fund 10,000. Sundry creditors 20,000. Asset side, building 50,000. Stock 8,000. Sundry debitors 60,000. Cash at bank 32,000. Total 1,50,000, 1,50,000. They share the profit and losses in the ratio of 3:1. They agreed to admit Kavita into the partnership firm for 1/4 share of profit, which he gets entirely from Rekha. First one, Kavita has to bring rupees 20,000 as capital. Here share of goodwill is valued at 4,000. She could not bring cash towards of goodwill. Depreciate buildings by 10%. Stock to be valued at rupees 6,000. Create provision for doubtful debits at 5% on debitors. Prepare revaluation account, capital account and balance it after admission.